Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Hollandaise sauce in a blender. First, gather your ingredients: 3 egg yolks, 1/2 cup of melted unsalted butter, and 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice. Don't forget a pinch of salt and a dash of cayenne pepper for that perfect kick. Having everything prepped makes the process smooth and easy, ensuring a delicious sauce every time. Now let's get blending. Place your 3 egg yolks, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, and a pinch of salt into your blender. Secure the lid and blend on high for about 10 to 15 seconds. You'll notice the mixture becoming lighter in color and slightly frothy. This initial blend is crucial for emulsifying the ingredients and building a stable foundation for your sauce. This is where the magic happens. With the blender running on its lowest setting, slowly and steadily drizzle in your 1/2 cup of hot, melted butter. The key is a thin, continuous stream. The heat from the butter helps to cook the egg yolks gently, creating a smooth and thick emulsion. This process transforms the liquid ingredients into a rich, creamy hollandaise. Once all the butter is incorporated, blend for another 5 to 10 seconds to ensure everything is perfectly combined and thickened. Give it a quick taste and adjust the seasoning if necessary, perhaps a little more salt or a touch more lemon juice. Your beautiful, creamy hollandaise sauce is now ready to serve. Enjoy it immediately with your favorite dishes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.